Hey, I gotta do it. It's just out of control. I mean, look at this. It's been too long. I'm learning how to do this myself. You know, we got to do all kinds of things ourselves. So, hey, um, got to do something about it. My hair doesn't grow like it used to, but it still needs to get cut. So, this is going to be like, what, third time. This is the third time I've ever done this myself. Put it on this way. Put my long guard on here. Okay, this is a 16. This is actually a beard clipper. I don't have a hair clipper. I gotta use my beard trimmer. Do this wet or dry, I understand. So try it both ways. Here's the trick. Notice how as I go up, I sort of roll it out to my head and pull it away. Up and out. Kind of deciding on the amount of fade as I go here, how high to take it. I've been parting my hair pretty high up here lately, so why not take it up a little ways, huh? Ah, it's feeling better already though. Yeah. This is kind of fun. That's alright. Well, I'm not going to touch the top until I kind of get these sides to where I want them. So I'm going to go to a little shorter. So a 12 millimeter. Now this time I'm not going to go quite up as high up inside my head. I'm just going to go up, pull this out, lower down here. Roll it out sooner. Not just over the top of the ear. There we go. So now I'm only coming up about this high on my head. About the same height. Yeah, we're getting somewhere. Feeling better. I like seeing my ears again. Okay. So I'm going to step down one more size here. Alright. Get the sideburns just up a little way. And I'm going to tilt this. As I go around my ear, I'm just going to tilt this outward. Right around the ear. Other way. I filled it out. I'm just running the corner against my scalp, holding the blade at sort of an angle out away from my head, right around there. See, this time I'm only traveling up my neck, back of my head here, 2.5 inches, maybe 3 inches. Not going up very high, but it's the same technique. Just kind of scoop it out as you go up. There we go. Okay, now I haven't done anything up here yet. The top doesn't grow like it used to. My hair grows mostly around the crown here and the back. So I gotta be a little more careful about what I do up here, but I do need to get some of this off. But we're not gonna run it right along my scalp. I'm gonna hold it up a little bit. How's that looking? Not too bad, huh? Alright, it's a little bit long from here. I gotta fade this out a little better. Or I should say blend this a little better right along here. Okay, like that. I like to show a little skin along my ear. So I'm going to go to my little narrow edger, my little beard. This is, again, this is for beard trimming, but you know what? We're making do with what we got. And just go in here and lift this up a little bit. People only look at one side of your head at a time, right? So, who's gonna know if I'm off? Huh? Now for the back trim on the base. No guard here. Doing all right. I think maybe it's time to wet it down, comb it out again, and kind of see what we got. There we go. Okay, yeah. Well, how's the finished product? I think that's passable. Yeah. It's gonna have to do for a little while anyway, until the barbershops reopen again. All right. Get on with life.